welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making chocolate fudge. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared. First, I'm going to put my evaporated milk, sugar, and butter into my saucepan on medium-high heat. I'm stirring it with a wooden spoon. Stir it consistently so the sugar doesn't burn. You want to bring this to a boil. At about 4.5 minutes, I stopped stirring for a few seconds to hear it starting to rumble, which means it's about to come to a boil. It took me about 6 minutes to come to a boil. I stopped stirring so you can see it is boiling now. I'm going to lower my temperature to medium and stir this for about 4 minutes. Remove from the heat and then add in the chocolate chips, marshmallows, and vanilla. I'm going to stir this until my chocolate chips and marshmallows are fully melted. Now I'm going to pour my fudge into my baking pan lined with parchment paper. I used binder clips so the parchment paper stays in place. I'm going to remove the binder clips after I put my fudge mixture into it. I'm using my rubber spatula to spread my fudge so it's an even layer. Refrigerate it until it's firm. That should be about 2 hours. And my fudge is done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!